Hey everybody, we are back to do another mukbang, and my son felt like eating senior chicken, so let's see what we got. You already know we got the half chicken, the quarter chicken, which is 2, the 2 onion rings. Yes, I did order 2 onion rings, French fries, and black rice and beans. Are you ready to eat?
Yes, I am.
Then let we eat, Papa. And as usual, I gotta put mine to the plate store for more room. Got what I need. Angle it perfectly. And guess what, y'all? I decided not to order the green and white sauce, and they ended up giving me green and white sauce anyway. That's funny.
Nothing?
Oh, he's actually, okay, this is England. He's actually eating the chicken. That's a wowzer. Hey, hey. See, you need to sit properly. See, with him, it's kind of hard to do a mukbang with because he's very uncooperative. Let me put the French fries in display so they can see it. Even though I don't need it. Oh, shoot. Then, okay, you can't see the other onion ring. Whatever. Oh, that's good. So y'all can see the food. And then me, I can get my green and white sauce on.
What?
Oh wow, he's actually going to try his onion ring. Pouring my green and white sauce.
Whoa. You are not following proper dibs procedures. I got dibs in the kitchen, yo.
So how are y'all doing today?
You have to call dibs here. Everybody knows.
It's been a crazy week. I'm over here and I need to do some studying for my schoolwork. My son, let me put it more to me because I'm the one doing the talking. You already know I like my onion rings. You like the onion rings?
Mm-hmm.
I told you to sit properly, HezeKiah. Nobody can see you from that angle. The solo dolo that he did by himself. Green and white sauce. He's always leaning back, and I'm like, we're using a phone. And with the phone, if I had a regular camera where I had a post stick where I could elevate it, fine. But I don't have money like that. So, gotta work with what we got. Do you really like the onion ring or not? I don't think so, because he kind of just slabbered, and then I guess he got to this part and he was like, yeah, no. Me, on the other hand, I love it. More onion ring for me. Make sure the napkins are in here. Let me know we need a napkin. Let me get my black rice and beans on. Can't be too close because it's gonna leak. I can do this with y'all. I know I desperately need more subscribers, but please like and share and subscribe. I'm gonna repeat myself towards the end of this video.
making a little softer.
Can't wait to see the Disney movie, The Lion King, the
Is this good?
real animal version on Friday.
Quiet sounds.
So,
Hetty, don't be eating more carbs than protein. That's why you need to sit closer. Sometimes you just can't talk.
then why did you tell me about it?
I trust you, friend Cyborg.
Then I promise to make sure no one ruins the peace and quiet of the sanctuary.
I don't know why he likes those fries.
Buddy, we're supposed to be quiet in here.
I had better fries.
He is the cool.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like,
Buddy, stop disturbing the peace.
what's a good company for fries?
Also the cool.
Chick-fil-A,
Not bad.
Popeye,
Whoa, check out
Wendy's.
the chubby goldfish.
especially with the sea salt.
Chubby goldfish. They
But-
are cool, and they are just the way they are
Peruvian,
supposed to be.
I mean, Senior Chicken, they get stuff done for their fries. They're a little bit in the dry side.
And I like dry.
Of course.
What?
And I like
It's
dry.
essential for the not freaking out.
You poor child. You have a strange taste bud. I say egg fry that you can just eat by itself without adding anything. It's not good one. I like to thank them for them giving me the green and white sauce anyway, even I didn't order. I still got a lot from last time, but whatever. Like I said, it's probably part of the requirement.
The secret garden has healed me, Star.
You are welcome to sneak in here anytime.
I called dibs on the cereal. I already had dibs on the cereal. But you called it in the living room.
You can't call food dibs unless you're in the kitchen.
Poor simple Raven. Same room dibs only apply to TV remotes and computers. You can always call food dibs from the other room.
Then I called dibs on it yesterday.
Oh, come on! There's never been next day dibs on anything.
He likes to change channels.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, dibs.
Have you guys been fighting over dibs again? Haven't you learned that dibs rules are too stressful to figure out? You guys better come with me. Hey, Star, what's up?
Greetings, friend Cyborg. I was just going to freak in on the bench.
Sorry, Star. Already called dibs on the bench.
Hey, I called dibs on the bench first.
You twos can fight over your bench dibs all days, cause I got to meet the pond dibs.
Chicken.
Hey, I told you guys, no dibs in the garden.
What are they doing here?
They were freaking out, so I invited them.
But I told you my garden was the secret.
Yeah, I get it. No one must know about this place.
Patient guys with us.
I come to the garden to escape them.
That's code, yo. But I get it.
The flowers.
You are too colorful.
Don't worry, Star. I'll just let some more sun in, and the flowers will be fine.
Looks, I turned the pond into a sweet hot tub.
A perfect race. Oh, Chubby Chunks. Oh, the tragedy.
Damn! Look at this, y'all. You see this?
He's just
You see this, Hezzy?
right, Chubby?
HezeKiah.
Yes.
You see this?
Oh!
It's huge. Hold on. Let's see if it can block my face.
I trust you.
No, it can block my face, but it can block half of my face. Hello. How are you doing? It smells so good. I can't even keep a straight face with it. Pudding. Hold on. Put some of this black beans with the fried onion rings.
Oh no! That must be stage 4 of the breakout! The freak actually gets out!
Still looks freaky, huh? Uh-oh.
I got dibs on the bench
The
dip.
bench is mine! Dibs, dibs, dibs! Guys, you have to stop calling dibs! It's too stressful! This is my fault. Probably. I've got to get those freaked out freaks back in!
This chicken is so good. Get you some Peruvian chicken.
Me?
No, the YouTuber.
Oh.
Good protein.
Gotta make a garden. Let's go by hand again. Flowers.
Again, got from Grubhub.
Now to the bench.
The Senior Chicken didn't give me a paw. That's how I know China Golden was lying. I passed by there sometime this week. That same place that's supposed to be down the street. We need to receive your order. I didn't go in the restaurant, but I passed by there. Gave the bird another line. Took my money and ran with it. It's okay. That's why I said it's either China Golden or Grubhub. And I know Grubhub don't lie. So I know y'all are playing around.
The buttocks cradled.
It tastes so good.
You are forgiven, Prince Cyborg. You only wish to help the friends in need. Now
Let me
let
know
us
if you need
enjoy
more
the
chicken.
peace
I
and
mean,
quiet
whoa.
of this new garden.
Wait a minute.
Meet Badger Clubs from the new show now, Heroes of Cure.
Nah, this is what I mean. This is why I shouldn't order fries, because look, you don't eat the drumstick from the chicken, but here he is trying to crush the fries. I keep telling you, stop doing that.
Got to be tied.
It's Fortnite in real life with the new ARL and FBO Fortnite blasters from Fortnite
As I see you keep on going after the french fries, am I eating the portion? I'm putting fries away.
These guys were total strangers. Never seen them before in my life.
You coming, Max?
Cindy to the max.
Just a sec. I can't believe you lied to me.
That show's
You
funny.
want to hang with a bunch of jerks who don't think girls belong on a skateboard? I really thought you were cooler than that. I am. I swear. Don't you get it?
I'm about to go ahead and just put this in my job over here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But he ain't in it. No point.
Heads up. Lifting excess energy with processor core detonation.
Just rip out the processor core! I can't, it will explode! I need the suit to get rid of the processor, but the suit won't work without the processor.
Look at all this meat he ain't eating.
How am I gonna find a complex system?
Look at all this meat he ain't eating.
Right here. You're
This big chicken.
It's like I've been trying to tell you. You can do more.
You're right. You've been right.
Get some more white sauce. Put it, so I can keep on reaching it. I'm gonna put it right next to me. The plastic bag. DuckTales, woo!
The suit is my gizmo duck. You are. That's a robotics band and a velocity band right there.
It's all. I'm in control.
I want a meltdown. 10, 9, 8, The ultimate sacrifice for the city. Despite the fact that we doubted him, he was our hero.
Hey, get away from my camera.
I think I was fired. I was definitely fired.
Just rest right now. Someone's booked the VIP hospital suite.
Need a what with you, Mr. McDuck?
You got ball down in case you need it.
The water is calm.
You like the food, Hezzy?
The National Aquarium.
Yes, I do. I love this food.
It's something you wish
Oh,
if
Swing, swing.
Simon, this landed right in front of you. You didn't see it? How many fingers am I holding up?
Counting your thumb.
8 counting your thumb.
Hang on a second.
6. What am I through 6?
Try these. How's that?
Wow. Someone trashed your house.
Well, it was clean when I went to bed last night.
Well, we colored for a while, but then we got hungry. Want to see what we colored?
Actually, I want to play you something. I wrote a song for you guys to sing, so let's...
Ew!
We put a few toaster waffles aside for winter. And we're not sharing.
Guys, we're going to have food all winter, so if you start storing it, it's going to get gross, and we're going to have bad, non-talking rodents around here. Let's go.
This onion ring is so fat.
Yeah. That's so bad.
Eat it with the chicken and the like rice and beans.
All right, chipmunks, ready to sing your song? Ready, Simon? Ready, Theodore? Alvin? Alvin?
I'm gonna put this in the side for now. Just keep on coming after it and eat the chicken.
What?
James Seville's in the lobby. He says he won't leave without seeing you.
Loser again?
Oopsies. Won't be inside.
Dave! Ian! I've got something for you. It's your next big thing. Dave, don't say anything.
Oh, they're scared.
They say. No, they don't. They do. Just give me a second. Come on, guys.
Oh, there's
Let loose the loop. DIY the hula hoop. You know, Dave, some people might say it's kind of weird that a grown man would want to hula hoop, and others would say, it's weirder than that. A grown man bringing another grown man a big box with a bunch of chipmunks in it who not only speak English, but can sing. But they do sing. We've been practicing all morning. Oh, you've been practicing? I didn't realize. Okay. Yeah, okay.
Oh, good thing I pressed that button.
Pretend that I have a lunch to go to. Oops, I've got a lunch to go to.
Almost fine.
What was that?
Nothing, just a little stage fright. I thought my heart was gonna explode. We're not supporting monkeys, babe. Why do we have to sing for that guy anyway?
Well, how's this? Pretend I need the money and I hate my job and you're staying at my place, so you go.
We're sorry, Dave.
Yeah, that helps. Never mind, I'm late for work.
Can we go with you?
What, so you can mess that up too? You're going home.
Hey, there. It's looks like
Yeah, standing your knife and scared. Oh, can we
okay. I'm gonna eat it. Since he don't want to be in the video anymore, I'm gonna
Okay,
just face
okay.
it towards me. Okay, so we'll be just. Hey, come on, man.
Sorry, I'm late.
Oops. He has a bad habit of the French fries, and I guess he's kind of. Hezzy, what you doing? Hezzy, what you doing? Hezzy, you don't have to eat a big bite.
Open on a group of lethargic
Oh my
kids.
God.
Close up on a little girl's face. She's sad.
Here's a napkin. There's a napkin. What happened?
I like kites.
Look,
Okay, great.
the outside chicken from here
The kite.
doesn't
She's
taste
running out of
good.
steam.
Did you eat the cartilage?
Let go of the kite.
What cartilage?
Cartilage is usually the
Sad.
But not too sad.
Right.
cartilage is like this little
She
piece
pulls
of the
out a
chicken.
little energy bar.
I think you might actually took a bite of the cartilage. Boy,
Oh, sorry. Hi, Mom.
that's why you have all that other part of the protein.
I was not trying to get it. Eat it.
Okay, stop spitting.
I can't do this right now, okay?
I absolutely understand, but sorry, Dave. How do you feel about a new door too?
Look, if you flood my house, you're dead. Out on the street, capiche? Mothers. Why don't we come over here and look at the sales projections? You know, when I first saw
No.
this, I thought there's just no way. Then I looked again.
Whoa.
No!
What?
Theodore's what?
Well, why don't we,
No. No.
anyway,
No.
10 years ago,
Oh,
Oh my
no.
God. I'm sorry, God. I got distracted.
No. No.
No.
No. No way. I can't be.
How much?
You know, I think I'll just clean up my office.
Sounds good.
Oh my gosh. He got fired.
Guys, what's this about?
Obviously, Theodore's butt. We told you we covered it.
On my presentation boards, you got me fired.
We didn't know. We're sorry, Dave.
Oh, you're sorry? That's fantastic. Sorry doesn't get my job back now, does it, Theodore? Why are my clothes all over the place?
Oh, we used them to mop up the water. Good idea, right?
Oh my God, Theodore, did you just
It's a raisin, Dave.
prove it?
Oop!
Okay, you got me. Look, I want to talk to all you guys. Where's Alvin? Alvin?
You owe me big time.
Alvin?
If your girlfriend was a freak like me,
guess what? Today would be at the top of the list.
And it's still early.
Clam it, Sudsy. Okay, guys, let me just put it to you like this, okay? I have no job, no career. My house is always a mess. Thank you very much.
Hi, Dave. It's Claire Wilson calling. Oh, why did I just say my last name? That was weird. I guess I'm just a little nervous about coming over for dinner.
Dinner.
Yeah, I'm gonna hang up now. I'll be there at 7. Okay. Bye.
That's half an hour.
Where is Dave's mate?
She is not my mate.
Yes.
My ex.
This one.
We'll take care of the rest.
Eat more chicken. The reason why I confiscated, and that's the skin. Actually eat the meat.
Yeah, we're all in this together, Dave. Like a family.
No, not like a family.
Tick tock, Dave. Better bust a move.
Right.
That's included.
Wow.
What's up, guys? Today we have camping special guest stars CNCO playing the low note challenge. Whoever can sing the lowest note.
I'm sorry, guys. But he's not interested. He always says, I want to make a mukbang, but then don't be on the video. He don't talk. And then the food choices, he goes after the carbs more than he eats his protein. So I'm going to just say this. If I ever order Senior Chicken again, which I probably will, I'm not ordering fries. Do you understand?
It's high school. It's life or death.
Excuse me, I'm trying to
Think you know Dora?
Because you have a horrible habit of eating your carbs.
brought a knife on the field trip, everybody.
On August 9th,
So that one.
an ancient city of gold.
I hope we can see the king. Roy. I hope we can see the Lion King this Friday. There's a heat wave going on in the DMV before it ends. For y'all who live in the DMV, y'all know what I'm talking about.
Used to first dates.
The heat wave. I don't know if it's today, tomorrow, or Friday, but I know on Ronda Light's supposed to be hitting the hundreds. And I'm like, hell no, to the no, 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 hell to the no, hell to the no, to the no, no, no. But anyway, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm kind of full. I'm completely I'm gonna talk to you later. And I'm gonna let y'all see what I gotta deal with when it comes to my son eating his protein. This is how much he ate. Anyway, I did, guys. I gone. Have a good day.